Welcome to English Practice Every Day. In this video, we will learn the multiple meanings of these 5 phrasal verbs and practice them with simple sentences. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. 1. Come on. Come on means to start working or begin functioning. Come on means to start working or begin functioning. The lights came on suddenly. The lights came on suddenly. The heating comes on at 6 a.m. The heating comes on at 6 a.m. The TV show comes on at 9 tonight. The TV show comes on at 9 tonight. The alarm came on when the door opened. The alarm came on when the door opened. Second meaning of come on is to make progress or improve. Come on means to make progress or improve. Her painting skills are really coming on. Her painting skills are really coming on. You're really coming on with your English. You're really coming on with your English. The team is coming on strong this season. The team is coming on strong this season. The garden is coming on beautifully this spring. The garden is coming on beautifully this spring. 2. Come over. Come over means to visit someone's home. Come over means to visit someone's home. They came over to watch the match. They came over to watch the match. My cousins are coming over tomorrow. My cousins are coming over tomorrow. Jack came over to my house after school. Jack came over to my house after school. Why don't you come over for dinner tonight? Why don't you come over for dinner tonight? Second meaning of come over is to move from one side or place to another. Come over means to move from one side or place to another. Sam came over and sat next to me. Sam came over and sat next to me. The waiter came over to take our order. The waiter came over to take our order. Jane came over to our table to say hello. Jane came over to our table to say hello. The dog came over to me and wagged its tail. The dog came over to me and wagged its tail. Third meaning of come over is to seem or appear in a particular way. Come over means to seem or appear in a particular way. Eve came over as shy at first. Eve came over as shy at first. Joe comes over as very confident. Joe comes over as very confident. Her message came over a little harsh. Her message came over a little harsh. Zach came over as aggressive during the interview. Zach came over as aggressive during the interview. Fourth meaning of come over is to communicate clearly or to be understood. Come over means to communicate clearly or to be understood. The artist's explanation came over very clearly. The artist's explanation came over very clearly. The teacher's point came over well to the students. The teacher's point came over well to the students. The message of the movie didn't come over strongly. The message of the movie didn't come over strongly. Amy's enthusiasm really came over in the presentation. Amy's enthusiasm really came over in the presentation. 3. Come back. Come back means to return to a place. Come back means to return to a place. I'll come back later when you're free. I'll come back later when you're free. She came back from vacation last week. She came back from vacation last week. The dog always comes back when you call it. The dog always comes back when you call it. He came back to his hometown after many years. He came back to his hometown after many years. Second meaning of come back is to return to a previous state or condition. Come back means to return to a previous state or condition. Old-fashioned trains always come back. Old-fashioned trains always come back. Grandpa's memory came back suddenly. Grandpa's memory came back suddenly. The color came back to her cheeks after resting. The color came back to her cheeks after resting. My appetite is finally coming back after being sick. My appetite is finally coming back after being sick. Third meaning of come back is to reply with a quick or clever remark. Come back means to reply with a quick or clever remark. Ivy always comes back with a smart answer. Ivy always comes back with a smart answer. The student came back with a funny comment. The student came back with a funny comment. He came back at the critic with strong arguments. He came back at the critic with strong arguments. Don't be rude. There's no need to come back like that. Don't be rude. There's no need to come back like that. Fourth meaning of come back is to become popular or successful again. Come back means to become popular or successful again. Vinyl records have come back. Vinyl records have come back. High-waisted jeans are coming back. High-waisted jeans are coming back. Old songs often come back into style. Old songs often come back into style. That actor's career has come back recently. That actor's career has come back recently. 4. Come around in US or come around in UK. Come around means to visit someone at their place. Come around means to visit someone at their place. Our neighbors came around for tea. Our neighbors came around for tea. She came around to see the new baby. She came around to see the new baby. Friends often come around after school. Friends often come around after school. Why don't you come around this weekend? Why don't you come around this weekend? Come around also means to change your opinion or accept something. Come around means to change your opinion or accept something. He'll come around to the idea eventually. He'll come around to the idea eventually. You'll come around once you see the benefits. You'll come around once you see the benefits. They came around to supporting the new plan. They came around to supporting the new plan. At first she said no, but she came around in the end. At first she said no, but she came around in the end. Third meaning of come around is to regain consciousness. Come around means to regain consciousness. She fainted but came around quickly. She fainted but came around quickly. Ben slowly came around after the fall. Ben slowly came around after the fall. The patient came around after the operation. The patient came around after the operation. Don't worry, he'll come around in a few minutes. Don't worry, he'll come around in a few minutes. 5. Come through. Come through means to succeed in a difficult situation or deliver results. Come through means to succeed in a difficult situation or deliver results. Tom always comes through under pressure. Tom always comes through under pressure. She really came through for us when we needed help. She really came through for us when we needed help. They came through in the end and solved the problem. They came through in the end and solved the problem. The team came through with an excellent performance. The team came through with an excellent performance. Second meaning of come through is to survive or recover from something. Come through means to survive or recover from something. The country came through the crisis stronger. The country came through the crisis stronger. We all came through that tough time together. We all came through that tough time together. He came through the accident without serious injuries. He came through the accident without serious injuries. She came through the illness after months of treatment. She came through the illness after months of treatment. Third meaning of come through is to be seen, heard, or expressed clearly. Come through means to be seen, heard, or expressed clearly. The colors really come through in this photo. The colors really come through in this photo. The message of the film came through strongly. The message of the film came through strongly. Her passion comes through in every speech she gives. Her passion comes through in every speech she gives. His voice came through the microphone loud and clear. His voice came through the microphone loud and clear. Fourth meaning of come through is to arrive or be received, news, messages, etc. Come through means to arrive or be received, news, messages, etc. The call just came through. The call just came through. The payment has finally come through. The payment has finally come through. The test results came through this morning. The test results came through this morning. News of his promotion came through yesterday. News of his promotion came through yesterday. That's all for this phrasal verbs session. Please keep practicing these phrasal verbs in your speech over the next few days to master them. Bye for now.